Hey guys, what's up? My name is Shanwin and today, alikat pag-usapan natin itong naging sagutan. Actually, ang nagsagutan na rito kung mapapansin nyo is between Senator Pia Cayetano and si Senator Mig Zubiri. And if you're going to listen very closely, kanya-kanya silang angatan ng bangko. Diba? Angatan ng bangko. Halika, pakinggan natin. There you have it. Alam niyo guys, nung nalaman ko na na si Senator Pia Cayetano ang susunod na chairman ng Blue Ribbon Committee, sabi ko, ay masaya to. Feeling ko tuloy mas masaya yata na si Senator Pia ay maging chairperson din ng ethics. 'Di ba? Kasi dito sa video natin ngayon, makikita niyo kung gaano ka firm si Senator Pia. Very by the book siya. Okay, very by the book siya. Kasi nga naman, sumusunod siya dun kung ano nakasulat sa rules nila. And yet, meron siyang mga kasamaan that they don't even follow whatever written in, and whatever rules that is written in their books. Well, first of all, nakakabastos yun. Diba? Sa paanong paraan? Meron tayong rules para mas organized tayo. Meron tayong rules na dapat sinusunod natin. Para hindi affected din yung ibang tao na sumusunod sa rules. Kasi once na hindi ka sumunod sa rules, ano nangyayari? Diba? Nagiging chaotic. Nagiging magulo. Yun yung pinaka-purpose ng rules, diba? Guiding principle mo yan eh. Tapos hindi mo susundin. Diba? So, maintindihan mo rito kung saan nanggagaling si Senator Pia Cayetano. Pero kung ikaw yung tao na strike anywhere ka, do whatever you want, easy-go-lucky, very unorganized, then hindi mo siya maiintindihan. Diba? Tara, pakinggan natin si Senator Pia.
Point of a notice if matters beyond
by the way, thank you kay Gossip Central.
On the notice are going to be taken up intentionally. In years that I've been a senator, I file resolutions in my own committee following these rules. Everybody else can do it. Hindi ko po sinaswapang yun.
Again, much to my surprise, I was forced to attend the hearing because all the officials of the said pharmaceutical agency were present. But the rules are rules, man.
Was there an invitation sent to the senators last week for today's hearing?
Yes, Mr. President, April 24. Nabanggit kasi itong issue na ito, April 2. It was brought up by Senator Raffy Tulfo about this practice, no? So kaya ginawa natin, motu proprio inquiry in aid of legislation on the rights of patients to appropriate medical care, information, and inform
dito guys pumapasok yung importance, no, kung bakit kailangan natin ng mga other professions sa loob ng Senado. Kung ito natatakel ng doktor, mas lalo nating na-appreciate. 'Di ba? Maniwala kayo sa hindi guys, marami na pong doctor lawyer. Bonus na 'yon kung meron tayong maging senador na ganun. Bakit? Una, alam niya ang batas. Pangalawa, alam niya ang medical field. So imagine mo na lang kung ano yung mga bonuses natin na nakukuha sa isang professional na ganun. 'Di ba? Actually, karamihan ng mga medical legal ay lawyer doctors. Kung ako lang na-expose ng ganun, baka bata pa ako, nag-medicine ako, then eventually nag-lawyer ako. 'Di ba?
Focusing on the prescription of medicines. Napag-usapan na po itong issue na ito noong April 2. It was brought up by Senator Tulfo at naging lumaki lang siya. Last week, it was mentioned sa interview yata ni Senator JB. That's why nag-issue po ang committee ng invitation April 24 at 24 ang notice, and then yung mga
duly received naman ng mga senators' offices, Comsec?
Yes. Mr. President, with due respect, what was the notice for? Because from my understanding, the notice that was posted is
Actually, nababastusan ako sa ganitong gawain ni Zubiri. Imagine mo nagsasalita si Senator Pia Cayetano, nagduduttot siya diyan ng telepono niya. 'Di ba? Tama ba 'to?
regarding bullying in the, was it hospital?
Para sa akin, I find it very unprofessional. Kasi kahit ako, when somebody is talking, like, say for example, somebody is talking to me directly, 'di ba? And I need to answer a text or I need to answer a phone call, I will excuse myself. Or pwede kong sabihin, "Uy, wait lang, may sasagutin lang ako." Or wait lang, 'di ba? You have to pay attention to someone or to somebody na kinakausap ka.
Hospital setting, that was the notice we received. So it is very possible that a senator who is not inclined to attend a hearing on
Ano
the
daw?
notice, the notice that was posted is regarding bullying in the, was it hospital setting?
Imagine mo ang layo ng naging topic nila. Yung na-receive na ni Senator Pia is about bullying. Tapos yung pinag-uusapan nila is different. Was it even tackled? Napag-usapan ba yun sa Senate inquiry na yan?
That was the notice we received. So it is very possible that a senator who is not inclined to attend a hearing on bullying would not attend, not knowing that there's going to be another topic taken up. I think that is the important point that we should be discussing, Mr. President. What is the point of a notice if matters beyond the notice are going to be taken up intentionally? Of course, kung nabanggit, and then the
Itong sinasabi ni Senator Pia, dahil nga busy si Zubiri sa kakadot-dot ng telepono niya, hindi niya tuloy nakukuha yung pinaka-point dito ni Senator Pia. 'Di ba? Napakasimple lang. Ang pagkakaalam nila, they're gonna talk about the bullying. Oh, hindi naman nila interest yun. Wala sila, kumbaga, pinapaubaya na sa kanila. Pero may other topic eh. Paano yung other topic na yun? Dun pala interesado yung isa nilang kasamaan, yung gaya nito ni Senator Pia. So she missed the opportunity to question those resource person. Maybe she's planning to put up a bill to talk about these matters. Na ibabangga niya yung bill na yon sa ethical standards din naman ng mga doctors or ng mga medical practitioners, di ba? She missed that golden opportunity because she was not informed. She is not well informed.
chairman, on the side is, pakituloy lang yung issue na yon. But to intentionally have a hearing on a subject matter that is not contained in the notice, and we have sometimes 6 hearings simultaneously going on, and we have other obligations, how would we know, Mr. President? How do we properly inform ourselves?
Yes.
Because that is the purpose of a notice, Mr. President.
You're absolutely correct. But to just give the proper information to the body, I have a copy of the Notice of Inquiry Native Legislation of the Health Committee, and it's under letter C. Under letter C of its notice, Motu Proprio Inquiry Native Legislation on the Rights of Patients to Appropriate Medical Care, etc., etc. So it's one long paragraph. So nabanggit naman doon sa kanyang notice. In other words, proper naman yung procedure.
So pasok po siya, Mr. President.
Pasok po siya.
Pasok siya sa rules natin.
Yes.
Salamat, Mr. President.
Yeah, very clear. As far as I'm concerned, of course, I will not debate with my majority leader, but as a former majority leader,
Ayan. Tingnan mo, pakinggan mo yung sinabi rito ni, he's being sarcastic here. Pakinggan natin ulit si Zubiri.
as I'm concerned, of course, I will not debate with my majority leader, but as a former majority leader myself, 3 times, I can see that the rules in this.
Was that really necessary? Kailangan ba talagang sabihin niya ni Zubiri? Diba? So nag-retaliate yan si Pia Cayetano. Pakinggan natin.
particular case were followed.
I think, Mr. President, it's also important to note that if it is happened during the hearing without being part of the notice given to the members, the 3-day rule,
Yes.
that's a different story, Mr. President.
Yes.
So again, the speeches delivered yesterday were not referred yet, but we can
Refer them now?
dispense and refer it, Mr. President.
You can make the motion, Your Honor.
We can
Majority Leader.
do it now if,
No,
if,
Mr.
if
President, I understand, no? Unfortunately, I agree. I note that the motu proprio, the rights of patients is in the agenda. but the privilege speech, the two privilege speeches were not referred. So how would a senator know that that specific topic, and as mentioned by one of the sponsors, the complete set of officers were there? How would the senator know that that whole agenda would be covered today? Kung nadaanan, okay lang. But that whole topic was there. And even the sponsor was shocked that they were complete. It's a good thing he had decided to attend because yung buong scope ng kanyang topic nando doon. And then last point I'd like to raise, Mr. President.
Ayan. Bubelta na dito si Senator Pia.
It was the,
Under Rule 10, sorry,
sorry.
would you like to?
Oh, no, go ahead. I'm sorry.
Under Rule 10, Section 13, which is the enumeration of the powers of the different committees, subsection 2 says, on accountability of public officers and investigations. It says here, investigation of any matter of public interest on its own initiative or brought to its attention by any member of the Senate. So it is only the Blue Ribbon Committee, Mr. President, that has that phrase under its own initiatives. And for the 17 years that I've been a senator, I file resolutions in my own committee following these rules. Because my understanding is it's only the Blue Ribbon Committee on its own initiative. Of course, in a time of emergency, we are on break. Of course, we will not stop the Committee on Energy to have a hearing. Of course not. But what is the purpose of this on its own initiative under the Blue Ribbon Committee powers if everybody else can do it? Hindi ko po sinaswapang yun. E di palitan natin, let's amend. What is our intention? Because we just have to be clear about our rules. We are a institution governed by rules so that we can do our job properly. So I humbly submit that we submit these queries to...
See, yung sinabi dyan ni Senator Zubiri is very irrelevant kanina. Why do you have to tell or why do you have to say na ilang taong ka rin naging majority leader? O di sinapalpal ka rin ng number of years ni Cayetano. Napaka-ungentleman na dating.
To the Committee on Rules,
Yes.
so that they can discuss it with our legal, our luminaries, our experienced
Yes.
heads, and then properly guide us, Mr. President.
Thank
Thank you.
Alam mo, ito lang yan, even if baguhin nila yan, okay, even if baguhin nila yan, kung as simple as that, now, hindi nila masunod. So, how do you expect na kung magkaroon man ng mga changes dyan sa Senate rules nyo, susundin pa rin? Marami namang hindi sinusunod dyan sa Senate rules book nyo eh. Nasaan na yung tungkol dyan sa executive session nyo na nag-leak daw? Asan na? Diba? Nagsisigaw, nagngangal-ngal yung mga kasamahan nyo dyan na senador. Naimbestigahan ba yan? May napatanggal ba kayong senador? Diyos ko. Para na kayo nagiging K-drama dyan sa loob ng Senate. Pasalamat na lang tayo. May ilan talagang matitino pa rin. Nandiyan si Senator Pia, nandiyan si Senator Amy, nandiyan si Senator Cheese. Diba? Si Win Gatchalian, actually, okay pa sa akin eh. Si Joel Villanueva, okay pa rin. Cynthia Villar. Sino pa? Yung mga hindi natin masyadong nararamdaman. Lito Lapid.
Just for the record, we amended the rules of procedure governing inquiries of native legislation, Your Honor. And under Section 2, initiation of inquiry, it's very clear. It used to be, I recall, it used to be the Blue Ribbon Committee motu proprio. Actually, immediately, even not following the 3-day rule, pwede yun. Parang immediate yung investigation on its own. However, we amended and strengthened the rules of procedure and added the Section 2. So, if you wish, we can have the Committee on Rules come out with the legal and the correct and final decision on this particular issue.
President, just a point of inquiry, Mr. President. Mr. President, yesterday, Senator Tulfo and myself delivered a privileged speech.
Sila pala yung involved dun eh. Tinamaan si Senator Jinggoy.
Regarding the multi-level marketing scheme of a certain pharmaceutical agency named Belkens. And the majority leader has not referred it yet to any appropriate committee. And I heard that Senator J.V. Ejercito had a similar resolution that was filed and was not yet referred to the appropriate committee. And much to my surprise, Mr. President, the committee chaired by Senator Bongo heard conducted a hearing this morning and heard the privileged speeches of myself and Senator Tulfo. And again, much to my surprise, I was forced to attend the hearing because all the officials of the said pharmaceutical agency were present. And of course, I would also like to thank Senator Bongo for his appropriate action, for his motu proprio action in conducting the hearing right away. But rules are rules. May I know from the majority leader what did we violate any rule, the 3-day rule? Because we just delivered a privileged speech yesterday, and again, I was surprised why the stakeholders or shareholders of Belken's pharmaceutical agency were already present, Mr. Chair.
Hear the answer from the majority.
Yes, Mr. President. Mr. President, the gentleman from San Juan is correct in stating that it is indeed in the Committee on Rules when you talk about the privileged speech delivered yesterday by Your Honor, Senator Estrada and Senator Tulfo. And in today's hearing, Mr. President, and I have with me the agenda for the hearing for today, conducted by the Committee on Health and Demography, I was informed that the basis of the hearing is letter C, motu proprio inquiry in aid of legislation on the rights of patients to appropriate medical care, information, and informed consent, focusing on the prescription of medicines, with the end view of assessing whether existing laws and regulations adequately protect the rights of patients to be prescribed with the appropriate and correct amount of medicines as treatment, and determine and propose additional policies and mechanisms for their protection. So that was the basis, Mr. President, and I believe it is not, and the chairman of the Senate Committee on Health can correct this representation, that it is not about the privileged speech delivered yesterday by the gentleman from San Juan and the gentleman from Isabela and Davao. The gentleman from San Juan is also correct with our rules when he stated about the 3-day notice for its members in Rule 11, Section 22, Mr. President, on the third paragraph. Special meetings may be called by the chairman of a committee by 1/3 of its members, but notice, including the agenda, place, and time of the meeting, shall be given 3 days in advance to every member of the committee. So, Mr. President, I think it is clear, and unfortunately, I am not aware, Mr. President, this representation is not aware of who were invited in today's hearing, and rest assured, Mr. President, that we still abide and submit to the rules of the Senate, and
So, obviously, may problema. No? Obviously, may problema. Siguro para kay Senator Pia Cayetano, it was, sabihin na lang natin, it was a very missed opportunity. Mas probably isa siya sa may mga gustong itanong. Yun lang, she was not well informed about sa ano ba yung mangyayari dun sa inquiry na yun. Hindi natin alam kung bakit. No? Lapses of judgment ba sa mga involved na tao as to what ang magiging topic nila doon, or bigla na lang out of nowhere, naisip lang nila. Gaya nga ng nakalagay doon. So, may naka-indicate na may motu proprio. So, para tuloy nagkaroon ng freestyle. No, they'll just gonna inject whatever topic that they want to talk about during that session. Unfortunately, hindi nagugustuhan ng ibang senador. Diba? Kasi nga, nagkakaroon ng missed opportunity. Hindi rin naman maganda na every now and then, ipapatawag mo yung same resource person just to ask different questions. Pwede naman kasi mangyari kung clear yung naging ano nila, kung ano ba mapag-uusapan. No, ano yung magiging topic, ano ba yung hahabulin doon. Di malamang sa malamang, 'di ba? Mas naging fruitful pa sa ibang senador. 'Di ba? Nakita niyo naman prior to this video, may isa tayong video na ewan ko, naging basura din yung napunta lang sa kangkungan yung expose ni Raffy Tulfo. Wala. Siguro kung maayos lang ang mga pamamaraan nun ni Raffy Tulfo, baka marami na siyang napakulong. Yung literal napakulong talagang tao, napakasuhan. Pero sa nakikita kong sistema niya, may naging topic si Attorney Libayan na kung i-connect ko dun sa naging topic ni Attorney Libayan, nagme-make sense siya. 'Di ba? Yun yung ano, yun yung benefit mo na nakikinig ka sa iba't ibang tao. Kasi you're not only learning something different, no? Pero na-apply mo kung ano yung nalaman mo, natutunan mo sa topic na yun. 'Di ba? Kasi kung papansinin niyo lang, no? Kung papansinin niyo lang. PCSO, ano nangyari? Tahimik. Biglang nag-die down. Biglang wala na lang. Sabi nga ni Senator Amy Marcos kung may issue tayo sa loto, sa nangyayari ngayon sa loto, bakit hindi nyo ipatigil yung loto? Ang tanong, bakit nga hindi ginagawa? Na-resolve ba ni Raffy Tulfo yung issue ng PCSO? Tahimik na siyang bigla. Ngayon, maingay na naman siya dito sa pharma. Bakit? Bakit kaya? I'm very sure may mga tao magigets ka agad without me even saying a lot of words. Ano to? Parang PCSO lang din? Ingay na ingay ka ngayon? Tapos sa mga susunod na araw, bigla ka nalang tatahimik? Dahil hindi ka na interesado sa topic. Napahiya ka na ng mga doktor. Ang dami pwedeng maging rason. Gaya ng PCSO. Bakit bigla ka na nahimik? Diba? Siguro kung ito si Senator Pia Cayetano naging Senate President. Sabi ko nga no, naalala ko na naman yung topic namin ni Montemio. Na isa si Senator Pia Cayetano na gusto namin maging Senate President. Kasi may nakikita kami na magkakaroon ng direksyon ng Senate. Maganda nga rin naman si Senator Cynthia. Sabi nga niya ni Secretary Paras. Very straightforward daw to. Kung may Pia Cayetano, may mas matandang Pia Cayetano, which is Cynthia Villar. Very straightforward. Para si Senator Amy. Although kasi with Senator Amy, dinadala niya sa mga biro-biro No? Iilang piraso lang silang babae ngayon dyan. Sana ma-uphold nila yung women power. Wala na dyan si Senator Miriam ngayon Dapat i-uphold nila yung power na iniwan dyan Hindi legacy, yung power na iniwan ni Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago. At syempre sa mga susunod pang mga senador, di ba? Anyway guys, again, maraming salamat sa panonood. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I-share nyo na rin yung thoughts nyo. Tatingin nyo kung magkaroon ba ng pagbabago dyan sa Senate rules. Yung magiging bagong Senate rules, mag-aano na sila dyan? Susunod na ba sila dyan? Or they'll just gonna be the same, the same people. Same routine, same action. Ay,